I do not know how many worms or what size worms are in each of the containers that I transfer the worms into. So I'm just simply going to unload the worms as they are, and eventually as the population grows, then I'll be able to modify it to be whatever I want it to be. I don't believe I'm going to be worm farming by taking eggs and keeping them separate from mature worms. That's a lot of work that I don't have time for. I will only do that if I'm selling eggs by itself, which I have no plans on doing unless someone requests it. And at that point in time, I would just simply harvest castings and take the eggs out at that time. So this bin that I am transferring out of now was a part of the bottom of the previous bin that I had. And so what I have mostly in here are the cardboards that used to line the bottom, and all the babies that were there in the cardboard, and whatever worms were there laying their eggs. So that's pretty much what is in this bin. And there I go, making a mess again. It is getting dry, so obviously it's a good thing. It's actually a good thing that I'm transferring this today, because they haven't gotten much attention since I put them in here. So it's drying out somewhat. It would be sad if I was to lose them. I'm gonna have to dampen this bin. I'm gonna save this blue bin for my night crawlers. I won't be having any of my night crawlers on the shelving unit, just the red wigglers. And this one is also a part of what was on the bottom of the previous bin. At least I won't need to cover this particular bin because it already has a lot of paper and cardboard in it, so that will act as a cover for these worms. Oh, these things are so full of babies, juveniles. I'm hoping they will like their new home. I'm wondering if maybe I should just do a few of these bins and then watch to see how well it performs before going ahead to make all 36 bins that are required. And some of the worms are in a crate, are in crates, and these crates are full of holes, so those ones could actually stay in there for a while. I just need to make sure that I have enough bin to transfer the ones that are in buckets or things that they should not be in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crates here. So these ones are safe. I water the top, the water drips all the way to the bottom, so those ones are safe. I don't have to worry about them. But for the others, like those in the bag and stuff like that, I'm a bit concerned. So I'm going to be doing my best to finish up as many I need to finish up as many of the bins as I can so that I can transfer the ones that are most likely to be in danger. Okay, so that is it. That is my first worm bin from this new setup, and now I'm going to install it on the shelf right here. Oh, I need to add a little bit of water to it. It does pack a bit of weight. So that's it, first bin installed. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing with this bin. So this bin, same procedure, and I'm not going to be showing that to you, just to give you an idea of what it is like. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so and click the notification button so that you can get the update on what's happening with this new bin. If you would like information on the design and what I use to make it, then you can always leave a comment in the section below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.